Alright guys, welcome back. So today I want to talk to you guys about how we have just a single text with lots of information in and how do you break it down into several cells so you can just grab individual information one by one. And to do that, we're actually gonna use the Excel built-in function called text to column. And if you want to find this, you open your Excel, whether it's Mac or it's Windows system, it doesn't matter. You go to the data part, and under it, you find the part where it says text to column. So this is where you do it. So let me show you an example. So right here, I have my data for my research on protein. So I'm just gonna grab all these data here. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna paste it into this cell over here. So if you look over here, right? So I don't want to click it because uh, um, so right here you can see uh, the value over here in this cell. So it's ILE, that's the protein's name. The two, that's for total. So you see total, apolar, backbone. So these are just individual columns, but now they're all together. And then if I click on other cells, there's actually no info because all of them are actually stored um, in this column, A. So how do I do it? How do I separate them into different cells? You select your data range. Let's say you want to do for all of them. And then where you want to go is to click on text to column. And now you have to make a choice. You have can select first is delimited. uh, Means you will separate based on something. So for example, if there's a comma after each item, so it's ILE comma 2 comma 172 comma, telling you that these are separate columns. So which is very common for a CSV file, comma separated values file. So that's what it is. So if I click on this, you can see you can select either if you have tab, so a tab in between will separate the cell, a semicolon, a comma, or space, or you can specify others. So in this case, letter J. So it's pretty flexible. So in my case, I need to do is a space because as you can see here, so this is a preview, right? So it tells you how it's gonna separate because there's a space in between every one of my value. So this tells me if I select using a tab or a space, I'll get what I want. But if I select a comma, because there is no comma in between, right? So you will not get what you want. Or the other choice is fixed width. This is telling you that there is a fixed width, so number of spaces between each column, and then it will just separate them automatically for you. So that's why you see like some of them are in the middle and some of them are to the right because this is because there are equal space between the two of them. That's how they're separating this. So either way works. It's really flexible based on your situation you need to make, and then you click next, and then it's going to ask you select each column and set a data format. So usually you just do general, and then you click finish, and this is gonna break it down into separate columns, and then you can use it for your future reference. So I hope this helps, and then in the next one I'll tell you how you can get rid of the white space in between each row when and just concatenate the whole column over here. See you in the next one.